Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to Soulful Journey with Iman. Today, I want to share a personal reflection on Surah Al-Hajr, a surah that reminds us of Allah's divine wisdom, the trials of faith, and the power of patience. For those of us who have embraced Islam later in life, there's always a moment when we realize that the Quran is unlike anything else. For me, this realization deepened when I came across Surah Al-Hajr, ayah number 9. Indeed, it is we who sent down the Quran, and indeed, we will be its guardian. This ayah is a reassurance from Allah. It reminded me that while everything in this world changes, people, relationships, even our circumstances, the words of Allah remain untouched, preserved, and eternal. Before reverting to Islam, I spent years searching for truth. I questioned my existence, my purpose, and the meaning of life. But when I read the Quran, I felt something different. A certainty, a peace I had never known before. Surah Al-Hajr not only confirms that Quran's divine protection, but also highlights a key lesson. Not everyone will accept the truth. Just as the people of the past rejected the guidance sent to them, many today turn away the light of Islam. One of the most striking lessons in this surah is the command to be patient. Allah tells the Prophet ﷺ, "So be patient with gracious patience." Chapter 15, verse 85. As a revert, I know how challenging patience can be. There were times when people around me didn't understand my decision to embrace Islam. Some distanced themselves, while others openly questioned me. At first, it was painful, but over time, I realized that Allah sees our struggles, and He strengthens those who remain steadfast. If you have ever felt alone in your faith, remember, the Prophet ﷺ himself was rejected by his own people, yet he remained firm, knowing that guidance is in the hands of Allah. Surah Al-Hajr also reminds us of another powerful lesson, the story of Iblis refusing to bow to Adam alayhi wasalam. "I am better than him. You created me from fire and created him from clay." Chapter 15, verse 33. This ayah teaches us that arrogance distances us from Allah's mercy. Iblis wasn't rejected because he lacked knowledge. He was rejected because of his pride. It's a warning for us all. No matter how much we learn or how firm we are in our faith, we must always remain humble before Allah. So, my dear brothers and sisters in faith, as we reflect on Surah Al-Hajr, let us ask ourselves, how strong is our connection with the Quran? Are we patient in the face of trials? Do we truly submit to Allah with humility? May Allah make us among those who hold tightly to His book, remain steadfast in trials, and never let pride enter our hearts. Amin. Jazakallah khairan for listening. If this reflection touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more soul-nourishing content. Until next time, fi amanillah.